Hello everyone, welcome to SEMICON Southeast Asia. I'm walking to the exhibition hall today on behalf of SBT Ultrasonic, your trusted partner in advanced ultrasonic inspection solutions. We specialize in ultrasonic technology for new energy, semiconductors, and medical aesthetics. Today, our focus is on the semiconductor industry. Right here, let me guide you to our booth 2152, where we are showcasing our latest scanning acoustic microscope. This is our standard mode, the IGUS300 series scanning acoustic microscope. It's specialized designed for non-destructive testing of IGBT and silicon module delamination, as well as semiconductor chip packaging delamination. No sample destruction, read and high detection resolution, real-time image display and analysis software. In short, the IGUS300 gives you non-destructive, repeatable, and high-precision inspection of internal weld quality, solder joints, and other encapsulated structures. It's perfect for power modules, automotive, semiconductors, and advanced packaging. Come visit us at the SBT Ultrasonic booth. Let me show you how the IGUS300 can protect your product reliability. Thank you and see you at the show.